In today's topic, we will be discussing how to access your online exams at UNISA. Welcome to Elevate Your Career with Confidence. Thank you so much for being here. So, many students struggle with the process, and I am here to help you break it down for you. Firstly, please make sure that you received an email with your timetable that is showing you the date and stuff like that. Go on your Google, write UNISA login, and obviously you press home, similar as how you log in, and this is what you are going to see. Scroll down, make sure that you scroll down, you scroll down, and you pass everything until you see the option that says my exam. It's under your my life email, my exam. Press that, and this is the page that it's going to lead you to. Since you already know the date that you're writing, just press the date that you are writing with and scroll down and check the subject that you are writing. For an example, if you are writing CRW, which is a subject under law, you are going to select it and according to the date. And this is what you're going to do. After selecting the course, you are going to press that course. Like if it's CR, you're going to press it, and then it's going to take you to this page, and it's going to ask you to press UNISA staff maker email address and stuff, and it's going to tell you to log in. Please log in with your student number and your password, the same password that you use to log in into your emails, and it's going to take you to the page. This is how you're going to see it on your cell phone. This is how it's going to look, and you have an option of those three lines. You can press those three lines and it's going to show you contact UNISA if you have any queries. You see these are the modules. It's going to show you all the modules that you are writing for the semester. If you have 3 exams, it's going to show you that. So here you can press if you need to update your personal information, if you need to check things, just press and go through. There's a calendar, there's a dashboard, there's contact us. But at the top there, it says my exam. It's going to show you all the exams that you have for this semester. Press on the one that you are going to write, and it says welcome to ILW 1501. Read all the instructions. They're going to tell you how long it's going to take. They're going to tell you what you are going to need. They're going to tell you if it's an open book or a closed book. They have all this information. Make sure you go through that information before you press start with the examination. Make sure you go through it, and make sure also that you understand each and everything. So I am going to show you an example. If only you are writing a certain exam, let's just take an example. How are you gonna write? If it's a closed book that you need to study for and prepare for, just always remember that they are going to need your cameras on. They are going to need your cameras on. You have to make sure that your camera is on so that they can see you. Some of others need an invigilator app and all that. But we are focusing here if it's your first time. This is what you're going to do. You're going to log in into the exam that you'll be writing, and you're going to press start, and they're going to say please put your camera on, and you're going to allow it. You're going to press allow. Make sure that you press allow so that you can start with your exam. After you have allowed it, it's going to take you through to the exam that you will be writing. Make sure that the environment you're sitting in, there is no noise and you are alone, and the camera is going to look at you perfectly. So make sure of that so that you don't get distracted, because while writing your exams, it's going to take pictures of you, like it's going to capture pictures of you, and if there are other people behind you, it's gonna take as if you are copying. So as you start the exams, it's going to say we want to see if you are the one who's writing this exam, because it's possible to tell your brother to write it for you, your uncle, your father, or whatever, and then you're going to say yes, it's me, and then after that you're going to accept. After accepting, it's going to take you to the exam where you get to answer each and every question. as an example on the screen. This will, let's say this is the questions and you're going to answer. If they say A or B, you select A or B. If they say C or D, if it needs you to write something, you need to write something. And do not take an online exam light. Make sure that you study if it's a closed book, because you will fail. Anyway, when you're done answering, you're going to select that you are finished. So in the midst of this thing will be taking pictures of you. So make sure that you are sitting still. And then you submit, and then you're going to see your work. And then you review your work. After reviewing, you are done. That's all from me to you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.